Are you confused about the difference between a UPC and an FNSKU and wondering which one you need for your Amazon product? Well, stay tuned to the end and we'll discuss all these definitions and which ones you need for your listing. If this is our first time meeting, my name's Scott, and on this channel we discuss tips and strategies to help make your Amazon business a success. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I post a new video every Tuesday. Alright, let's dive in. The first definition we're going to cover is GTIN, which stands for Global Trade Item Number. Every single item that goes into Amazon needs to have one of these codes on the product. This is a unique identifier that Amazon and any retailer can use to identify your product from someone else's. The most common GTIN in North America is the UPC, which stands for Universal Product Code. If you are creating a private label product, it is imperative that your product have a UPC on it so that Amazon can distinguish your product from all the other products in their warehouse. Now you may have also heard of FNSKU and wondering what the difference is between that and UPC and whether or not you actually need one. FNSKU stands for Fulfillment Network Stock Keeping Unit, and this is Amazon's own barcode that they use for your product. It's important that you put an FNSKU on your product as it'll tell Amazon to keep your inventory separate from anyone else's. If the only identifying feature is the UPC code, then any seller selling that same product will have their inventory mixed into one large batch. And then when someone buys it, regardless of the listing they buy it from, Amazon will pick it from this large batch. The problem with this is that your competitor may be selling counterfeit or damaged goods, and then your product listing could be selling their product, and you'll get a bad review as a result of their counterfeit or damaged product. I strongly urge that you put your FNSKU on your product packaging so that Amazon can distinguish your product from anyone else's. You may be wondering, where do I get these barcodes from? Well, let's start with UPCs. UPCs are governed by a company called GS1, and Amazon requires that you have a GS1 certified barcode on your product. Getting barcodes from GS1 can be a little pricey, as they'll run you about $250 to get 10 barcodes, and then you need to pay $50 a year to maintain them. There are third-party services that will sell you discounted barcodes such as SpeedyBarcodes.com. This can save you a lot of money if you're just starting out and don't have a lot of capital, but just be aware that they may not be 100% certified as they're not coming directly from GS1. When it comes to buying barcodes from third-party sellers, I suggest staying away from eBay listings. There have been reports of people getting scammed using invalid or already in use barcodes. It's better to use services like SpeedyBarcodes.com, or if you want to be extra sure, get it from GS1 directly. The question of the day is, where have you gone to get your barcodes in the past? Have you bought them directly from GS1 or do you get them from a reseller? Let me know in the comments below. When it comes to FNSKU, things are much simpler. All you have to do is go into your Seller Central, go to Manage Inventory, and find your FNSKU label there. It's free, and you'll have to just give it to your supplier to put it on your product packaging. When it comes to barcodes, that's basically it. If you got any value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And be sure to subscribe so you catch my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.